Are you tired of last-minute homework rushes? Let's change that today. Here are 11 practical strategies for effective homework. Step 1. Plan ahead. Duke University found that planning ahead can increase productivity by up to 25%. Step 2. Organize your workspace. A tidy workspace can enhance focus and productivity. Keep all necessary materials at hand. Step 3. Understand the task. Ask your teacher for clarification if you're unsure. This will prevent confusion and mistakes. Step 4. Gather resources. Collect all necessary resources before starting, such as textbooks, notebooks, and online sources. Step 5. Prioritize tasks. Start with the most important or challenging assignments first when your energy and focus are at their peak. Step 6. Breaks and rewards. Divide your work into chunks and take short breaks in between. Reward yourself after completing a task to stay motivated. Step 7. Avoid distractions. Minimize distractions by turning off notifications, putting away your phone, and closing irrelevant tabs on your computer. Step 8. Stay focused. Set a timer for focused work intervals, like the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes of work, followed by a 5-minute break. Step 9. Review and edit. Review and edit your work for errors and clarity. This helps improve the quality of your assignments. Step 10. Ask for help. Don't hesitate to ask for assistance if you're stuck. Your teacher, classmates, or family members can help. Step 11. Consistency. Establish a routine for completing homework. Consistency helps build good habits and reduces the likelihood of procrastination. And there you have it. 11 practical strategies for effective homework. Remember, everyone's study habits are different, so find what works best for you and adapt these strategies accordingly.